Hello, in this video we are going to demonstrate how to generate fixtures for your league using the Fixture Management tool. For the purpose of this video we will be using the Table Tennis 365 Demonstration League, so let's get started. Click on League Fixtures and click the Add icon for the division that you wish to create the fixtures list for. The Fixtures tool is a wizard-driven process, so follow the on-screen instructions until you have completed the process. Please note that in order to use the Fixture Management tool, your division must have a full complement of teams associated to it. Step 1 requires you to provide the start date for your season. The start date will always be a Monday. Think of this question as more of the starting week of the season, just using Monday's date. The next question is multi-table venue. The default for this option is no, because most leagues play their fixtures at their team's own venue. However, in instances where all matches are played at the same venue every week, and therefore teams don't have home and away venues, please select yes. The division format drop-down will be pre-populated with the number of formats your division could use. If you have a division of 7 teams, you would most likely run this on an 8-team format. But let's say for some reason that you need to run it on a 10 or higher team format, then you can do this by selecting the appropriate option from the list. You also need to specify the matches per season, which is the amount of times the teams play each other during the season. Finally, select from the available templates for the options you have chosen. In some instances there will be several to choose from, so be sure to select the one most appropriate for your league. When you're happy, click Next. The second step is to order your teams. In some instances, the team order will have little effect on the fixture list. But if you have a league where 2 teams share the same venue on the same night, you need to be able to ensure their fixtures are always opposite. The system template you have chosen will account for this automatically, provided you order the teams according to the template guidelines displayed on the screen. To change the team order, you simply click and drag a team up or down until you reach an order which satisfies your requirements. Also note that if you have an odd number of teams, an empty slot will be created automatically. Do not worry about this, simply arrange your team order around this empty slot and ignore it, as it will be filtered out at the time of fixture creation. Click Next. The final step before generating the fixtures is to review the proposed fixtures and add any spare weeks into the schedule. You may want to add a free week for a cup competition or account for holidays like Christmas or Easter. To add a free week, click Add Free Week. Note that you can specify a reason for the free week, which is displayed on your website's fixtures page. If you make a mistake, you can click the Reset button to remove all free weeks and start again. If you have several divisions and the skipped week schedule is exactly the same, once you have defined it, a drop-down will appear in the right corner of the screen and you will be able to apply the skipped schedule to the current division, which will save you time and avoid errors or omissions. Finally, as previously stated, this is a wizard-driven process. So if you realize that you have made a mistake, you can click the back button and go back and correct the error. When you are happy with the proposed fixture schedule, click Finish. Your fixture list has now been generated. Repeat the process for the remainder of your divisions. From the fixture list, you can see the progress of the fixture list as a graphical icon. You can export the fixture as a fixture chart, which can be used for handbooks or printed literature. You can also edit the fixture list by clicking the Edit button, or delete the list completely provided no matches have been entered. That concludes this tutorial. We hope you have found it informative. We recommend you watch the remaining tutorials on League Manager before attempting to set the system up. Thank you.